For our next part, we are going to communicate, explain, using words, complete sentences, what affects gravitational pull. This means I can explain the two major factors that affect gravity and how do they affect the gravitational pull. So remember the mad, gravity is mad. How do those two things affect the gravitational pull? So go ahead and write your complete sentences and answer here using scientific vocabulary. And then when you are ready, come back and let's look at some example answers. So some example answers look like this. So again, your words might be different than mine. You're just deciding which is yours closest to. So my 4 says, distance and mass are what affect gravity. So distance and mass, or mad, mass, and distance. The closer objects are to each other, the more gravity will pull them in. So I stated what are the two factors, and now I'm explaining how does gravity affect them. Also, objects with larger mass have a stronger gravitational pull. What are they? How are they affected? So I answered all parts of the question. So a 3 just says distance and mass are the two major factors that affect gravity. I stated them, but didn't say how they are affected. A 2 just distance and mass. It's not in a complete sentence. I listed them, but not in a complete sentence. And 1 is I didn't list correct answers. So go ahead and decide which answer best represents your work here. So rate yourself 1, 2, 3, 4. We're shooting for 3 or 4s. So give me a reason. Why did you rate yourself that? Which one did you most closely match to? And then give yourself a goal for the test. Do you need to use scientific vocabulary? Do you need to study up on why mass and distance affect gravity? Do you need to understand the difference between mass and weight? Lots of kids say that weight affects gravity. Weight has nothing to do with gravity, right? Gravity makes our weight. When I step on the scale, all that's doing is saying, hey, this is how much gravity is pulling down on my body. Okay, weight is because of gravity. It has nothing to do with affecting gravity. So mass and distance. So what is your goal? Do you need to write in complete sentences? Do you need to explain more? What is your goal? So go ahead and complete that section.